you are the new media. You're the new way that people are being reached. We know that people are not just listening and thinking about sentiment, that they're actually acting on the things that their influencers that they follow are telling them. We're seeing that, consumers are buying $5 billion worth of products from these creators every year. So they're voting with their wallet and not just with their mind. So there's a huge responsibility that comes from being a creator, and the acknowledgement that this is the new media is one of the most important things. As a creator, there are really three key things that are top of mind when it comes to politics. I'd love to share that if you guys are interested. Wonderful. Well, we're thinking about the content that's taken and monetized directly and indirectly and without a license, without permission or benefit to that creator. We're thinking about the implications of creator content being taken to train AI, again, without the license, permission, or benefit to the creator. And then I think finally, it's really important that this industry was built on innovation. How are we protecting the innovators who are creating it? And that's really in the court system, through legislation. Thank you so much.